Hi there, this is Ira Weinstein of Recon Research, and today we're hitting the top things that you need to know about Poly Studio. Let's get started. Our team spent some time testing and using Poly Studio, and here's what we learned. Number 7, it's a mic, it's a speaker, and a camera all in one. This made our setup quick and easy. We unboxed the device and set it on the table. We connected power, then we connected the USB cable from the device to our laptop, and that's it. We were ready to rock and roll. We really like that Studio can also be display or wall mounted. Number 6, Studio was made to be managed. First, the Polycom Companion app lets local users install, configure, and update Studio's software over USB. Studio can also connect to the IP network over Wi-Fi. Once done, admins can manage Studio devices using Poly's cloud-based device management service called PDMS-E, or using Polycom Real Presence Resource Manager. Number 5, here's one we already knew. Poly really knows audio. That came through loud and clear during our studio testing. First, Studio's mics did a great job picking up our in-room talkers. Also, Poly's noise block algorithm kept noises like air conditioning and potato chip bag crinkling from stepping on the meeting. That's right, you can type during a meeting without disturbing the other locations. In addition, Poly's acoustic fence algorithm, as I was saying, Poly's acoustic fence algorithm completely eliminated noises outside the meeting room. Now that is way cool. Number 4, stereo audio definitely makes a difference. Unlike most devices in this class, Studio supports stereo audio both in and out. So people on the left side of the room sound like they're on the left side of the room.
And people on the right side of the room sound like they're on the right side of the room.
This gives the outgoing audio a very different, almost a spatial feel. So go ahead, turn on stereo audio in your cloud services. With Studio, you'll hear the difference. Number 3, Studio's camera sees everything. Huddle rooms can be small, sometimes very small, and often people sit right on top of the display. With its 120-degree field of view, Studio's 4K camera can capture everyone in the room, even people sitting right up front. So even if the room is tiny, you will still be on camera. Number 2, Poly Studio includes a tiny cameraman inside the device. Okay, well not really. But Studio's group framing looks for faces in the room and automatically adjusts the camera to capture everyone. Even better, Studio can be set to track the active speaker in the room. And when nobody's talking, Studio zooms back out to capture everyone on camera. So go ahead, move around the room, bicker back and forth during the meeting. Studio's camera will find you. Number 1, Studio is all about bang for the buck. That's right, Studio is an all-in-one system with a 4K camera, advanced audio processing, room framing, and speaker tracking for a list price below $1. Make no mistake, Studio packs quite a big punch given its low cost. Poly Studio is a USB audio and video solution designed for small and medium meeting spaces. Our team banged on Studio for weeks, and Studio exceeded our expectations, especially in terms of audio performance. Those looking to AV enable their small to medium meeting rooms should take Studio for a spin. You will not be disappointed. Thank you and have a great day.